We started with kind of what for us defined success, and Daktronics was incredible in helping us really get to a solution financially and technologically. I think the challenges are always, are always cost and desire. I think in the world of how do you really balance the two of what's reality and really become the most efficient purchase at the best product you could possibly have when we really thought about it. We wanted the best of the best. We wanted to be able to operate. We wanted to be able to grow within the systems and understand how to really leverage them. And Daktronics has really helped us kind of navigate that. I'd say the point of differentiation of Daktronics really was in the engineering. The ability to really have hands-on people in the field, with us day in and day out, through the inception, through the completion, till today in the operations. Really what changed this whole relationship with us was customer service. It was incredible. They became a partner. They became integrated with everything we were thinking and doing, which really helped us get an incredible end product.
The Daktronics show control system has allowed for flexibility because of that word, being flexible. We're obviously with a new building, learning how the systems talk, what graphics, stills, animations look best on certain displays. It's been kind of an ongoing process. Having the ability to be flexible has really been a game changer for us, to be honest.
And the end product is the proof, but for us, it's seamless communication. So whether we're dealing with our field folks who account manage here in Milwaukee, or whether we're calling corporate headquarters, it's immediate, it's always solution-based thinking, and it's incredible service. One of the things you really look for are partners who actually define success for you before the project, actually are step with you the entire way, are solution-oriented, and really care about the project and really expect greatness. And that's what Daktronics did with us throughout, and they've been a terrific partner.